People, welcome to ICO Reviews, and here today I present to you Soundeon. Now, what is Soundeon? Well, I'm going to play you a video that will explain in details what that is all about. But before I go further, please do not forget anything I say in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Now, let me play you the video.
Michelle is a technologically savvy and independent Gen Xer. When working at the office, she loves listening to her favorite indie rock group on Soundeon. She always enjoyed following her band on social media, but now Soundeon offers her so much more than merely liking statuses. With Soundeon, Michelle has become a stakeholder in her favorite band's success story by backing their future creative endeavors, as well as buying into existing royalty streams. Michelle is now more than ever engaged with not just one of her favorite groups, but all of them, building up entire portfolios of fractional music rights ownership of all her favorite artists, all in one place. But this is just the beginning. As the world's first vertically integrated and decentralized music platform, Soundeon offers Michelle the ultimate entertainment experience by rewarding her loyalty on and offline. Michelle uses the Soundeon app to book tickets to big concerts and intimate gigs by paying the artists directly, skipping the middlemen and saving a ton on commissions. Moreover, Soundeon's integrated loyalty program offers Michelle plenty of exclusive experiences and freebies directly from the artists she backs, rewarding her loyalty. Soundeon, music beyond the blockchain.
Thank you for watching that video. Thank you very much. And let's check the website out. Now the pre-sale is live. You can get 10 to 30% bonus, and they accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and you can check them out on their social icon on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Telegram, YouTube, and Reddit. And you can check other reviews here by clicking on these, and you'll be able to see what review websites are saying about them. This is different media company that have written an article about them or videos about them. They are available on Forbes, on Yahoo Finance, Bitcoin News, and all the rest. And these are their partner. This is the problem in the music industry and the solution they plan to offer. I like the website. It's beautiful, put together. So this is for fans and backers and for musicians and authors. Now, if you are a fans or you are a backers, you are supporting a different band or an artist, you can participate in music token sales and become a co-owner of copyright and other intellectual property rights. Buy an existing royalty stream, collect all of your worldwide royalty within a single application environment with insight and analytic. With built-in smart contract, this process is automatic, variable, and transparent. An opportunity to support your favorite artists directly, discover new tracks, and all the rest. And if you are a musician or an author, create your own token sale for your music and video project. Sell existing music royalties on the platform in fraction through smart contracts. Now, you can just imagine if you have a video music to shoot and you don't have money. I mean, for most of these new musicians who are coming up, then you can apply for that, and people can actually invest in your project and they can get reward back for that. That is splendid. That is splendid. And yes, Soundeon has successfully submitted a patent application for its underlying technology, United States Patent and Trademark Office. Now, these are the guy behind it, the core team member and the advisors. Vadim Kuroshin, I hope I pronounced the name well. Vladimir Avdiv. This is the advisor Lagutenko, Igor Buyakov. And look, check this guy, Ruslan Goshenov. I will show you a video about him. And Aram Abgayan. I will show you a video about the two of them. So let's just check the team member. You can see them. This is quite a community, and this is the roadmap on everything you can think of here. The videos they have here, all the rest. Now, let's just wait. Let's check the team member out. You want to know if the team member are real, if they are fraudsters. Want to know. This is Adam Afghanian, and the second guy I showed you, the team member.
I'm responsible for business development.
And I'm Ruslan, and I'm responsible for the strategy and development of the Soundeon platform.
So Soundeon is a music platform like Spotify, but it uses blockchain technology.
Not exactly. No, Soundeon is a much more complex platform. It's vertically integrated. And we have our Soundeon player that is quite similar like Spotify, but it's only one layer, and we have 4 more layers. And the base layer is based on the token sale. So it allows artists, young unknown artists, to issue a crowd sale platform and to use that platform to attract money and to fund their creations.
But back to Spotify, right? So what we try to do with Soundeon is to encapsulate the entire lifespan of the artist, from funding to song creation to trademark and rights registration and administration to essentially creating a marketplace for existing royalty rights.
So let me stop the video here. You can see the team members here. They are real. This is not a scam. This is authentic. This is genuine. Now this is a white paper. I love the white paper. 68-page white paper, carefully put together, beautiful. And I can tell you the white paper is unique. It's original. It's not copy and paste. This is unique from them. Now there are actually 4 members on their Telegram group, and let's go here. Twitter 12.8 followers, so that is over 12,000 followers, 2,800 followers here. And on their YouTube you can check different videos they have here and interviews they have. Let's check the Malaysia. More visitors from Vietnam, India, Philippines, Russia, and Ukraine. And this is the who is. You can see the who is here, information about them. Now, to put everything together, what is my thoughts about Soundeon? I think this is a very unique platform. They say it's going to be better than Shopify, and I mean they have the team that is real. This is not a scam, and I believe if the team work together and fulfill their promise, it's going to be a huge one. So I'm going to leave the link of the website down below. Click on it and join the pre-sale. Pre-sale is live, and after the pre-sale you can even get the ICO directly. But please don't forget, this is my personal opinion. I'm not your financial advisor. And thank you very much for watching my video. I love you guys, and please, before you go, subscribe to my channel. I beg of, please subscribe, and I'll continue to bring more videos for you. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.